Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my YouTube videos. Let's take a look. I use Adobe Premeire Pro CC 2019. It's my editing suite of choice because it's so simple to use. I've used it for years. It's quite easy to get the basics of as well if you want to jump into video editing. So let's jump into my editor and I'll show you how I edit these YouTube videos. The videos I'm going to be editing is Wednesday's video where I'll show you how I filmed them. Today I'm going to show you how I edited that video which you already saw. If you haven't saw it, click the iCard and go and watch that. So here we are, we're in my editing software now. So because last video was a multi-cam, I've got two cameras going. So there's the angle you saw on me and behind the scenes angle. So we're going to link these up, and Premiere it's pretty easy. You just grab that on there, grab that clip, shift click them, then right click and get down to create multi-camera. Once that's done here, just call it multi for multi-camera. Just hit OK. It will sync all up together using the audio track. I normally edit with headphones on, but I want OBS to capture the audio from here. So we're just going to edit from the speakers on the computer. So you can see that's done it pretty quickly. Here's our multi-track here. If I go to right click, open in timeline, you can see it's synced that camera here with the other camera. And we just want to take the audio track from this camera up here. So if we mute that channel, there we go, perfect. We do also want to rotate this one as well. So we want to rotate the top channel because it's obviously upside down, so we have to film the camera upside down. So just go into rotation here, just flip it around to 180 degrees. Boom. If we go back to our main sequence here, we'll grab that multi-camera clip, which is down there. And if I open the multi-camera editor, there you go, we can see we've got two angles. So just scrub through here, press the arrow key 1, we go to there, we'll scrub along, press 2. You can see it switches between the angles nice and quickly. So now once we're in here, we haven't got a proper intro to it, but this is normally my intro up here. This new title and sequence icon. So we need to change the wording of that. So if we open it up here, and then the title is how I film my YouTube videos. Now it's sorted, I'll just go into the align tool here and align it by both centers. There we go, that looks pretty happy. So now that's done on the timeline, I want to scrub along here to my intro part, which is here. I wanted to see me there, so we cut it with Control T. We'll bring that back. We'll ignore this audio track for now.
So hello guys, today I'm explaining how I make my YouTube.
So when I say that, I want it to cut to camera angle 2, so if I play it through, hit 2, there we go. We'll make a cut there as well, so it does it for us properly. Boom, there we go, split it through.
So hello guys, today I'm explaining how I make my YouTube videos. I'm going to go through the gear, how I set it up, and what I use it for effect.
Boom, happy with that. So we've done the intro part now. So just cut that, and now I'll go and cut through any little bits where I miss my words or anything gets wrong, so it's nice, neat and compact. Boom, so that's all done now. I call out the A-roll, that's just a clip of me talking to the camera like I am now, and on top we put B-roll. So if you have clips in my clip bin here, just clips of the camera with a mic and a tripod, they'll go over when I'm talking to the camera to give some more depth of the story and the situation, just to explain my gear a bit better. Let's add that in. So for this, I just scrub through the timeline here and set my in and out points. So that looks quite nice to start with. And I want it to end about there with my out points, and then you just drag it down into the timeline. And that channel's muted so you can't hear the B-roll audio, because you can see there's some sound there. I want my video to sound clean. Right, so I've now added my B-roll clips over my A-roll to me talking. It just shows close to the product, it looks really nice in the video. So now I've done that, I drag my adjustment layer on top. The adjustment layer allows you to add something to a whole clip. So I'm just going to grab this one here, put it up under the timeline, drag it out. Now it's there, I go to Lumetri Color, which is how you color stuff in Premiere, and go to Creative, and add on my preset, which is called Lace. Now it lightens it up and makes the image look a bit nicer. And I set this at about 40% intensity, so it just gives a nice look to the video. So now I'll simply just round it up in my outro and my end card there, which is see you on Wednesday. Because this is going up on Friday, it's going to say, and no, this video is going up on Wednesday, so say see you on Friday. Just double click on that, bring it up, and set that text as Friday. And make sure to center it both ways as well so it looks nice and clean. And then it's got my end card on the end. And that's how I edit a YouTube video. It's quite simple, and you can follow along at home, just do your A-roll, put your B-roll on top, and just trim the edges, make it look nice and clean. So guys, I'll see you on Monday with a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to click subscribe if you want to watch my videos as soon as they're uploaded. And I'm really liking content uploading now on my channel 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.